Here is how to process bulk payments on Razorpay, ideal for paying multiple vendors, employees, or partners at once. First, log into your Razorpay's dashboard at dashboard.razorpay.com. From the sidebar, go to Payouts, then click on Contacts to make sure all your recipients are added. Each contact must include a name, email, or phone, and a bank account or UPI ID. Next, head to the Payouts tab and click Bulk Payout. Download the CSV template and fill in the payout details for each contact, including amount, purpose, and reference notes. Once the file is ready, upload it back into Razorpay and click Review. Double-check all entries, then click Confirm and Pay. Razorpay will start processing each payment in real time or scheduled mode, depending on your settings. You can track the status of each payout in the payouts dashboard, whether it's successful, pending, or failed. And that's how to send bulk payments with Razorpay. Fast, reliable, and perfect for scaling operations. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.